everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be going on a hike with some girlfriends and I'm going to take you guys with me. I believe we're just going to hit some trails near a park, a national park here, and I'm really looking forward to it. It's Saturday morning. This is what I'm wearing. This shirt I purchased at H&M. It's kind of like a cropped shirt style, kind of like those old kind of retro sweaters, whatever they're called, tennis shirts. And I have a tank top and just some kind of capri or knee length yoga pants and some tennies. I got some trainers on, if I can show you. These are Reebok. Sorry guys, I don't have a full length mirror in my house, so anyway, I just have my hair pulled back, some earrings on just to be a little bit feminine, and here we go. I'll take you guys with me. I'm so excited.